Well, friends go. Pray one of your best friends is gone. Caroline pretty much is ascended to heaven and all that. Basically, she's ascended to heaven and all that. She's not on the shows anymore, but she'll always be part of her puppets. We'll miss her. Well, this means we have room for a new puppet, for a new character. So we actually have some things. So I'm actually sponsoring one today. So as there are, we can sponsor a new character. So I'll put her out. Anyway, this is Stephanie. Now I'm Stephanie. Now, what do you think you can do? Think you can be a great member of Harry Puppets? Of course you can be a great member of Harry Puppets. What do you think? So what do you think? You can do this for honor, courage, decency, weirdness. I can do it for all things imagined. So to start off, want to do your thing. Your thing. Sky word sky. Everything is great. And empty or more empty. When friends go away. So the word's not, the rated word's hard. When friends more wonderful, your best friends around. Okay? We have to take a vote now. It has to be unanimous. All in favor? Aye. 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 Will do. Do it. Aye. Aye. Anyone opposed? Good. Take a vote. It has to be unanimous. All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Good. Congratulations, Stephanie. Welcome to Harris Puppets.